Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 6. We will discuss about relationship between temperature and humidity ratio in surrounding. Okay, my name is Nurlana Balkis binti Hairi, matric number AE190058. I will discuss about Microsoft Excel software. Okay, um, we have 9 questions in total. So we need to find the first question. We need to find the mean, standard deviation, and minimum and maximum. Okay, for mean, we use average formula. For standard deviation, we use std dot s formula. For minimum, we use min formula. For maximum, we use max formula. Okay, next for scatter plot and regression line model graph, we obtain this formula by plot the humidity ratio against temperature. Okay, for the next question, to obtain the table 2, table 4 and table 6, we use the regression data analysis. We use the regression data analysis to obtain this table. For Pearson correlation, we use correlation data analysis, or we can use the formula Pearson formula. Okay, that's it from me. I will pass to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Aziz bin Hisham. My message number is CE190238. Okay, I'm going to present about the mean, the deviation, and minimum and maximum value for the independent and dependent variable. For the manual calculation, for the mean, the temperature for X is 27.059. For the humidity ratio, Y equal to 83.71. Okay, for the standard deviation, SS, we use this formula and we get 0.6998. For the SY, the formula, and we get 1.1881. For the minimum value, X equal 26.3, and Y we get 81.7, and the maximum value X equal 28.8, and Y equal 85.9. Okay, next. Okay, this is the scatter diagram and regression line for the data. Okay, so the graph, the y-axis is temperature and the x-axis is humidity ratio. Okay, the diagram shows the scatter plot of the temperature against humidity ratio. It can be concluded that the scatter plot and the regression line obtained has positive linear and weak relationship between the temperature and humidity ratio. Okay, next. Okay, assuming the linear relationship, use the least square method to find the simplified linear regression model. The manual calculation, uh, the, to get xy, sxy, we using this formula, and we get 14.3561. Okay, next. For the sxx, we using the formula, and we get 48.4819. Okay, next for the xyy, we using this formula, and we get 139.7459. Okay, next for the beta one, we using this formula, and we get 0.2961. Okay, for the beta 0, we're using the formula, this formula, and we get 75.7088. Okay, so we get y equal 75.7088 plus 0.961x. Okay, that's all from me.
Okay, my name is Nashahani binti Abdul Halim. I will present you about the question D. Check the significant A equal to 0.05 of the simple linear regression model. The significant value for the regression is significant 0.082, which is more than alpha equal to 0.05. Thus, it can be deducted that this simple regression linear model is not significant. We can see in ANOVA Excel, we get significant F 0.082. Okay. For the next, interpret the meaning of the intercept and slope in this problem. Please comment any possible event. Okay, based on simple regression linear model obtained, the y-intercept or the humidity ratio is 75.692, and we can see at table beside. Okay, when the temperature is zero, as for the slope obtained in this project, it shows that an average of 0.297 for humidity ratio increase as it linked to the temperature increase. We can see in table beside this. Okay, it is from Excel software. Okay, the next, test the hypothesis whether the slope is equal to H naught ratio beta 1 equal to 1 against unequal to 1 by taking 5% level of significance. Okay, the manual calculation that we done, t-test, we do t-test for intercept. H naught B1 equal to 1 and H1 B1 unequal 1. The result that we get, H naught is rejected when t-test is TC more than 1.981. Okay, we can compute the test and SXY, SXX, SYY, beta 1 and beta 0. Okay, for the SSE, we get 135.50, MSE 1.383, and the last part, t-test, we got 1.0531. Okay, thank you from me.
Okay, next I will. My name is Muhammad Farhan Sulong. My metric number is AE190008. So I will present the test, the hypothesis whether the intercept is equal to 0, H0 ratio beta 0 equals to 0 against unequal to 0 by taking 5% level of significance. So by using the manual calculation, theta for intercept, H0 ratio B0, beta 0 equal to 0, H1 ratio beta 0 unequal to 0. So TC equals to 1.981. H0 is rejected when t-test is TC is greater than 1.981. So when we compute the test, SSE will get 135.50. For the MSE is equal to 1.383. For the t-test, we will get 16.5603. Next, compute the coefficient of Pearson correlation and interpret the meaning. So in the table is the Excel calculation. We will get the humidity ratio is 0.175. For the manual calculation, we will get the humidity ratio, we will get 0.1744. There are 0.001 difference of the humidity ratio between the Excel value and manual calculation value. Okay, the next is to compute the coefficient of determination and interpret the meaning. So by using the manual calculation SSE, we will get 135.5. SYY equals to 139.7459. The coefficient of determination is r square equals to 0.0304. Therefore, the coefficient of determination is 0.031. The linear relationship is weak positive linear relationship because the value of r square is less than 0.5. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.